In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain name from HostPapa to Bluehost. This is a quick tutorial designed to guide you step by step through the process, ensuring a smooth transition for your domain. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to HostPapa's dashboard. Head over to www.hostpapa.com/dashboard to access your account. Once you're on the page, you'll need to enter your login details to proceed. It's important to have this information on hand to avoid any unnecessary delays. After logging in, you'll see the HostPapa dashboard. From here, click on the My Domains section, which provides a list of domains associated with your account. Locate and select the domain you wish to transfer. This action will bring up the domain's settings, where you'll be able to manage various options. In the domain settings, pay special attention to the section called Registrar Lock or Domain Lock. You'll need to disable this lock to allow your domain to be transferred. Simply toggle it off to permit the transfer. Remember to save your changes so that the lock status update takes effect. Still within the domain settings, you'll need to obtain the transfer authorization code, or sometimes referred to as the EPP code. This code is crucial for authorizing the transfer. You can choose to have the code sent to your email by clicking on Send by Email, or if it's immediately available, click Show Code. Once you have the code, make sure to either copy it or save it securely, as you'll need to enter this in your Bluehost account. Now it's time to jump over to Bluehost. Head to www.bluehost.com and log into your Bluehost dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the domain section and click on Transfer. Here, you will need to enter the name of the domain you're transferring and paste the EPP code you secured from HostPapa. With all the necessary information entered, click Continue and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. If a transfer fee is applicable, be prepared to settle this at this stage. It's a standard procedure, so no need to be apprehensive. After you've completed these steps, check your email that's linked to your domain. You should receive a domain transfer request for approval. This could come from either HostPapa or Bluehost. Open the email and follow the instructions to approve the transfer. The approval is a vital step in finishing off this whole process. Please be patient, as the transfer might take between 5 to 7 days to fully complete. You can monitor the progress via emails or updates within the Bluehost dashboard. And there you have it. With these steps, your domain should be well on its way to being managed by Bluehost. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in your domain transfer journey.